to Oviedo as Mbappe gets it off the turn! And what a finish! Warning shot across the bows of Real Madrid if they needed one. Well, Vinny Jr. has stolen this away, and Mbappe can finish it. That's Real
in La Liga are going to sit in against Real Madrid.
Oh, here's Brahim. They're trying to end with an exclamation point. Vinny Jr. has done it! Well, if he's trying to send a message to Xabi Alonso, an assist, and now a